In the beginning, before anything existed, before time even had meaning, God created the heavens and the earth. At that moment, the earth had no shape, no structure, no life. It was empty and covered in deep darkness, with waters stretching endlessly across its surface, and the Spirit of God moving over it like a quiet presence preparing for something greater. Then God spoke, and everything changed instantly. He said, "Let there be light," and light appeared. It broke through the darkness for the very first time, filling the emptiness with brightness. God saw the light and declared that it was good, and he separated it from the darkness. He called the light day and the darkness night. This marked the beginning of time as we know it, the first cycle of evening and morning, the first day. Then God spoke again, bringing order to what was still chaotic. He created a vast space in the middle of the waters, separating the waters above from the waters below. This space became the sky, stretching wide and endless above the earth. God called it heaven. Evening passed and morning came, completing the second day. Next, God gathered the waters beneath the sky into one place, and as they pulled back, dry land appeared for the first time. The solid ground was called earth, and the gathered waters were called seas. God looked at this new creation and saw that it was good, but he didn't stop there. He commanded the land to produce life, and suddenly the earth began to grow. Grass spread across the ground, plants began to rise, and trees appeared, each one producing fruit with seeds inside, designed to continue life again and again. The once empty land was now full of living color and purpose. Evening passed, and morning came, the third day. Then God turned to the sky, which was still waiting to be filled. He created lights in the heavens to separate day from night, and to mark time, days, seasons, and years. A great light was placed to rule the day, the sun, and a lesser light to rule the night, the moon. Alongside them, countless stars were scattered across the sky, each one placed with intention. These lights not only gave brightness to the earth, but also created rhythm and order in time itself. God saw that it was good. Evening passed, and morning came, the fourth day. Then God filled the waters and the skies with life. He commanded the seas to bring forth living creatures, and suddenly the waters were alive with movement. Fish of every kind filled the oceans, and great creatures moved through the depths. At the same time, birds took flight above the earth. Spreading across the open sky, God blessed them, telling them to multiply and fill the seas and the skies. Life was now spreading and growing. Evening passed and morning came, the fifth day. Then came the creation of life on land. God commanded the earth to bring forth living creatures, and animals of every kind appeared, livestock, wild beasts, and creatures that move along the ground. Each one was created according to its kind, complete and unique. God saw that it was good. But then came a moment unlike any before it. God said, "Let us make man in our image after our likeness." This creation was different. Humanity was not just another part of the world. It was made to reflect God himself. So God created man and woman, giving them authority over the earth, over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, and every living thing that moves. He blessed them and told them to be fruitful, to multiply, to fill the earth, and take responsibility for it. Everything they needed was already provided. The plants, the trees, the food, the world itself. Finally, God looked at everything he had made. The light and the darkness, the sky and the seas, the land and its life, the sun, moon, and stars, the creatures of water, sky, and land, and humanity itself. This time, it was more than just good. It was very good. Everything was complete, balanced, and exactly as it was meant to be. Evening passed and morning came, the sixth day. And in just 6 days, what began as emptiness and darkness became a world full of life, order, and purpose.